Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature 9 Pixie and Bixie haircut ideas that you can wear in 2023. So if you are currently thinking of shaking things up with a shorter hairstyle, or if you are just looking for some short hair inspiration, this video is for you. If you are in love with any of these hairstyle ideas and feel inspired, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's take a look at some of the hottest and trending Pixie and Bixie styles that you can wear in 2023.